Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Max Player problem on your TV. If you got any error, any problem on your Max Player under your TV, how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, find here setting option on your TV. This is our setting option under my TV. Click on this setting option, and after that guys, find here apps option under this list. Okay, now click on it, and guys, after that find here Max Player application on your this list. Okay, if you don't find here Max Player under this list, click here see all apps. Now click on it, and after that guys, find here Max Player under this list. This is Max Player application here. Now open it. After that guys, click here clear cache option. You can see here there are clear cache option. Now click on it and click here OK button. These are temporary files on your TV. So after that guys, click here clear data option. Now clear here. Now guys, click here OK button, and after that guys, sign in on your Max Player TV. Okay, now click here OK button. Now click here OK button, and after that guys, click here for stop option. Now click on it and click here OK. Okay, so guys, now click here open button and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, uninstall this Max Player apps. Okay, now click here OK button. So guys, you can see here Max Player get app removed from our TV. So guys, back here again, and click here Google Play Store. Find Google Play Store on your TV under the apps option. Okay, and if you don't find here, now again click here setting option, and after that guys, click here again apps option. Now find here Google Play Store option. So guys, if you don't find here under this list, click here see all apps option, and after that guys, find here Google Play Store option. You can see here. Now open it and click here open. Now open it, and after that guys, you can see here there are options search apps and games. Now click here search. So guys, type here Max Player. Under this option, we type here Max Player. You can see here when I type M, the Max Player TV option is displayed here. Select this, and after that guys, you can see here install button is displayed here. You can see here. Now click here install button and reinstall these apps on your TV. So guys, you can see here there are option open. Now open it because this app get installed our TV, and after that click here open and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, you can see here our problem is fixed here. After that click here start button. You can select any language as you wish, and click here apply. You can see here our Max Player now working properly. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, go back again setting option. So open your TV setting again. Now click here setting option again, and find here additional setting. Click on it additional setting, and click here apps option, and after that guys, click here Max Player TV, Now click on it, and after that guys, click here permission option. You can see here there are permission option. Click on it, and if any option is displayed here like this deny, click on it, and allow this option. Allow only using this option. Okay, and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.